Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is March mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo? And what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo? What are the messages for Virgo and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo and what's going on? Eight of Cups under the deck. Yeah, Seven of Swords. I think your person is a player or sneaky. Maybe they're putting you in third party situation. Some truth you came to know about your person recently, then you decided to walk away from this connection no matter what. Yeah, you decided to walk away. If not, in near future you will do it because there is walk away. Because this person is very sneaky for you, toxic for you. Lot of deception in this connection. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune and Four of Cups. Yeah, you have doubts about your person from starting also because Two of Pentacles juggling. You are juggling a lot. You don't know which decision you have to make. You are indecisive about making a decision, Virgo. Then things are started turning into your favor. Then Four of Cups, you decided to not to take the cup of love offer which is offered by your person. Yeah, you don't want to accept this offer anymore because you have doubts. Maybe you have trust issues about your person. Then present Three of Wands, the Sun and the Magician. Yeah, you turn your back from your person. You decided you turn your back from your person. Then positive shifts are coming in your life and you will manifest whatever you want. You will be in this energy right now. Present, you will be in this energy. You are manifesting whatever you want in your life. And for some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Then Chariot, Queen of Swords and Page of Pentacles, future energies. So you decided to move on from this person and you are doing it. You are moving on. You are moving on from this person. The Chariot is here and you decided to cut off this person because this person is sneaky, playing games with you, Virgo. Then you stand by your power and you deserve best. You want best. That's why you decided to cut off this person from your life. And Page of Pentacles, maybe some communication is coming. Your person is immature. They want to say apology to you, some communication. They want to send some message. So you decided to walk away from this person and you stand by your power. And now you are okay without this person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Cancer. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Ace of Wands is here under the deck. They are very passionate about you. So let's see their feelings towards you. Virgo, your person feelings towards you. Person feelings towards you, Virgo. Four of Wands under the deck. They want this happiness with you, this celebration with you. They want to manifest you back. For some, your person may be player. For some. So Magician energy is here. They want to manifest you back again in their life. And say Three of Pentacles with Six of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take. There is no partnership in this relationship in past. Now your person realized what they did to you. Now they really want to work on this relationship and they're thinking about to offer equal give and take and to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles with Six of Pentacles. Yeah. They want to offer equal give and take and they really want to work on this relationship. For some, you both could be twin flames also. So let's see their actions towards you. Virgo, your person actions. Your person actions towards you. Again, Seven of Swords. I think you are not trusting this person. Again, Seven of Swords energy and Seven of Pentacles. For some, your person putting you in waiting period. Seven of Swords, Page of Cups and Queen of Cups. Yeah, they have emotions for you, but for some, your person playing with two women, maybe two men, whatever. Seven of Swords with Page of Cups. Again, they're coming back with an apology, but your person is immature. They're thinking about work on this relationship, but these are only thoughts. But intentions, that means actions towards you is Seven of Swords. Again, they're wearing mask. Maybe they're hiding something from you, Seven of Swords energy. They may be lying to you, cheated on you. For some, it could be third party situation. Beware if you know about your person. If you know that your person is putting you in third party situation, then it's up to you. If they're really putting you in third party situation, no point to give another chance to your person, because Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy, causing deception in the connection. So Page of Cups, they want to come back again with an apology. And Queen of Cups, they will say, I love you so much, I have so much love for you, whatever they want to say. But beware. So if you give another chance to your person, they again will put you in waiting mode. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Six of Swords with Death and Rebirth. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. Temperance. Patience is the key. Maybe they want to restore the balance in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So Six of Swords with Rebirth. So they want rebirth in this connection. They again come back to fix the things between both of you. But be careful, because this person, for some, toxic for you. Yeah, a lot of spying is going. Your person is spying on you on social media. Three of Cups. For some, third party situation is involved in this connection. And Three of Cups with the King of Pentacles. But you are concentrating on your career. You are focused on your money and abundance. And you are getting success there. And celebration is here. Virgo. Yeah, you more focused on yourself right now. See, the Moon with a lot of cards, but Four of Wands. There is something mysterious in this connection. Yeah, see, mutual card, Temperance. There is no balance in this connection. So you both are not on the same page. So there is no balance. First, the balance has to be restored in this connection. So Temperance and Four of Wands. So in near future, if your person is not really putting in third party situation, there is no third party, definitely there is a chance for some communication and this. But it depends. Everyone's situation is different from others. So let's see your overall energy. Virgo, let's see your overall energy. Ace of Swords, you decided to cut off this person from your life. They're coming back with an apology. I think they're coming back to work on this relationship, but you are being cold. Now you are thinking through your mind, logical mind, not through your heart. Let's see your person overall energy. Virgo, your person overall energy. Your person overall energy. Yeah, the Moon, there is something mysterious in this connection. They're trying to manifesting you back. Maybe if sometimes they guarded up. Strength, they're scared to come towards you. And Three of Cups. Yeah, they want reconciliation, but it's totally in your hands right now. Virgo. Right now, it is totally in your hands. So let's see some messages for you from your person and through the channel. I want you back. Your person, you are pure perfection. Sorry. Friendship. I'm crazy about you. I'm just not ready yet. Yeah. And you are the only one for me. So for some these messages for those who are not in third party situation. So I'm not just ready at those who are in third party. So you are pure perfection. Friendship, for some your person only wants friendship from you rather than a relationship. Then I'm crazy about you. Yeah, there is passion involved in this connection. For some your person want you back. Yeah, they want you back. That's why they're coming back with an apology. But be careful if your person is sneaky. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. You are good enough. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message from universe. You are good enough. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.